were stealing eggs at night. They grabbed the eggs and ran out of sight. But Kitty woke up with glowing eyes. Hey, stop right there! She shouted in surprise. One got caught, poof, he's gone dead. The rest ran fast before the dawn. Kitty called the inspector and inspector said, "Hi, Dad. No more skeletons stealing eggs tonight." Four skeletons came back again, thinking they could steal like vengeance. But Kitty was ready, quick and smart. Not in my farm, you can't take part. One slipped away with a funny fall. The others ran away from it all. Kitty called the inspector and inspector said, "Poor pay, stay away from this farm tonight." Three skeletons tried once more, sneaking quietly near the door. But Kitty jumped with a magic sound and made them vanish all around. Kitty said, "This is not your place." They ran away in a silly chase. Inspector came and clearly said, "No more stealing eggs tonight." Two skeletons came super slow, but Kitty said, "No, no, no." One got scared and ran away fast. The other didn't even last. No. Inspector arrived with warning light. Keep the eggs safe every night. One skeleton was stealing eggs alone, but Kitty was strong like stone and pool. He saw her and started to flee. "No more eggs for me, I'm free." Kitty didn't even need to chase. Peace returned to Kitty's place. Inspector came and closed the case. All eggs safe, no more race. Eggs are safe, the farm is fine. Kitty did an awesome shine within, with happy meows and morning lights. No more stealing eggs
Almost got 'em all.
tonight.
Into the basket.
Zadie, iron train! Wow! Oh, it's five little dinosaurs riding on a train. Chuck, 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 going through the rain. Here, har, here, and stomp, stomp there. Dino chaos everywhere. Riding on a train. Choo, choo, choo. Kitty driving fast, you know. Five little dinosaurs riding on a train. One slipped down and bumped his brain. Kitty called the owl and the owl then said, "No more dinos jumping on the train." Riding on a train. Riding on a train. Four little dinosaurs. Four little dinosaurs riding on a train. One went wild and broke the chain. Kitty called the monkey and the monkey then said, "Stop the dino shaking the train." Choo choo train. Funny dino train. Three little dinosaurs riding on a train. One got stuck in candy the train. Kitty called the panda and the panda then said, "No more candy on the train." Riding on a train. Sticky, sticky train. Riding on a train. Two little dinosaurs. Little dinosaurs riding on a train. One pulled lever once again. No, Kitty called the bunder and the bunny then said, "Slow that crazy train right now. Fast, fast train. Crazy, crazy train. One little dinosaurs riding on a train. He sneezed loud and cracked the pane. No, Kitty called the bunny and the bunny then said, "Dino train is working well." Riding on a train. Riding on a train. Happy dino stealing Dino roars but not so strong. Something feels totally wrong. Crack, crack in his teeth today. Oh no, 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 what's the way? Help, 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 what to do? Dentist Kitty is coming through. Dino opens mouth so wide. Ouch, 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 he cannot hide. No crunchy food, no happy bite wet. Even grass feels not right. He shakes his head. I feel pain. Big dinosaur eyes might tell the day. Teeth are hurting very slow. Dental beep, beep, beep. Titi arrives with happy lip wreck. White coat on tiny chair. Not worry, Dino, I'll take care. She checks the teeth one by one. This problem will soon be gone. Kitty, Kitty, on the way. Fixing teeth today. Brush, 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 shiny clean. Now he feels strong, bone smooth. Kitty gives magic mint glow. Now your smile can really show. Brush, 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 all okay. Fixing teeth today. Dino tries one crunchy bite. A wow, it feels just right. He jumps, he roars, he plays again. No more pain, no more pain. Kitty claps, mission done. Lick smiles like rising sun. Crunch, 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 happy now. Shows no strong, shows you how. Big bright smiles they cannot hide. Toothbrush shines, sparkle glow. Healthy teeth now ready to go. Oh no, no, turn to yay. Save the teeth today. So smiles loud and free. Best dentist ever, yay! Five cute skeletons riding on the bus, laughing and dancing, making lots of fuss. Kitty is driving through the town today, but silly skeletons won't behave. Ride in the bus, beep, beep, beep. Funny skeletons jump to the beat. Funny skeletons jump to the beat. Five cute skeletons riding on the bus, wiggling bones and making lots of fuss. One stood up and bumped his head. Kitty called the owl and the owl then said, no more dancing on the bus. Ride it in the bus, beep, beep, beep. Funny skeletons jump to the beat. Four cute skeletons riding on the bus, singing loud and causing fuss. One slipped down and broke the horn. Kitty called the ghost and the ghost then warned, stop the jumping on the bus. Ride it in the bus, beep, beep, beep. Funny skeletons jump to the beat. Two cute skeletons riding on the bus, shaking bones and making fuss. One fell down and broke the seat. Kitty called the mommy down the street. No more dancing on the bus. Ride it in the bus, beep, beep, beep. Funny skeletons jump to the beat. Two cute skeletons riding on the bus, dancing fast and making fuss. One spun round and broke the wheel. Kitty laughed, let's fix it tonight. Slow down, spooky bus today. Funny skeletons jump to the beat. One cute skeleton's riding on the bus. Now they're careful, no more fuss. Kitty drives and sings all night. Spooky bus ride feels alright. Ride in the bus, beep, beep, beep. Funny skeletons, talk, come back. All cute skeletons riding on the bus. Now they're careful, no more fuss. Kitty drives and sings all night. Spooky bus ride feels alright. Riding the bus, beep, beep, beep. Funny skeletons stomp their feet. Kitty drives and laughs with glee. Spooky bus fun for you and me. Splash in the bubble bath. Kitty laughs in foamy path. Baby shark is coming too. Bubble fun for me and you. Dip, pop, pop, pop. Splash, splash, splash. Let's wash Kitty every day. Kitty jumped into bath so bright. Bubbles glowing soft and light. Splash goes water, fun begins. Kitty spins and grins and spins. Pop, pop, pop. Splash, splash, splash. Bubble bath fun. Go, go, splash. Baby shark swims in fast. Big foam bubbles flying past. Kitty laughs. Slow down, please. I can't see through all of these. Pop, pop, pop. Splash, splash, splash. Bubble bath fun. Go, go, splash. Rub-a-dub soap all around. Bubbles bouncing on the ground. Baby shark goes splash, splash, splash. Kitty says, what a splashy crash. Pop, pop, pop. Splash, splash, splash. Bubble bath fun. Go, go, splash. Bubbles fly up in the air. Kitty tries to catch them there. Pop, pop, they burst away. Bubble bath is fun today. Pop, pop, pop. Splash, splash, splash. Bubble bath fun. Go, go, splash. Baby shark slows it down. No more foam all around. Kitty clean from head to toe. Bath time fun is ready to go. Splash, splash, bubble pop. Kitty bath will never stop. Baby shark